Hi friends, this video is completely outside of the web technology. Let's go into mathematics first. So we got one mysterious puzzle and we need to decode it. So what is that one? Puzzle is nothing but a plus b whole square. Okay. Now we need to decode this puzzle. All of them, everybody knows that a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Now how it will be the a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus 2ab. How we can explain this one? So when you come from the mathematical background, how you can decode it? It is, you will say a plus b whole square is nothing but a plus b into a plus b. That means that is equal to nothing but, so we need to take a and multiply with a. That means a square. Again a with b. That is nothing but ab. Now take the b and multiply with a plus ab. And now take the b and multiply with b. That is b square. So that is nothing but equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yeah, we solve it in the mathematics type of thing. Let's now we solve it in a variety way, that is in the pictorial representation, so that kids or laymen can understand. Now I will remove this one all. Let's take one line. Okay, it's let's take a straight line. It's not a straight line, but assume that it's a straight line. Now mark any point in this line. Let's say I marked it here. Think of that the length of this line up to here is a. Okay, and the length of the line up to here, let's think of it as b. So the total length of this line will be nothing but a plus b. This one is common. Everybody knows about this one. Now we need to know about the a plus b square of the a plus b. Let's draw the square. Okay, assume that this one is a square. Okay, now we mark the point in this one also, exactly a, and this one as a b. Same here also we'll mark it the same a, and here it as a b, and mark it exact here a, and this one is b. Okay, now just draw the line from here to here and from here to here. Okay, let's calculate the total area of this square. So what is the area of this square here? A into a square. Okay, area of a square is a square. What is the total area of this square? This is also a square. B into b square. What is the area of this rectangle? This one is a rectangle. Why? Because means length and breadth is there. AB. What is the area of this rectangle? AB. Now if we calculate the total area of the square, what it will be? This one a square, and this one plus AB, this one plus AB, plus this one plus b square. So it will be total, it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yeah, we solved the mysterious puzzle today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.